Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, as we do a shrimp and mushroom pasta today. Very simple, small number of ingredients. So you got your shrimp, of course, your grated garlic, a lemon, a tomato, some mushrooms, I don't know what type, but they're mushrooms. Not pictured, parsley, and red pepper, if you wish. Anyways, so you're gonna start off by cutting up the mushrooms, just because I don't like the shape of a mushroom in my mouth. If I did, I would go for the penne pasta, but we're using linguine, it just goes much better together. So grate your garlic, that way you can use less and the flavor gets evenly distributed in the oil. Maybe, I made that up. Salt, pepper your shrimp, mix them up. You just want them to be dry when you put them in, so might have to paper towel them. But boil your linguine in salted water, preheat your pan if you're using stainless. Add some olive oil. There you go. Ooh, butter. I like doing butter with shrimp just because I like it a little bit thicker. You know, we like thick. Put your mushrooms in. Now you're gonna cook them over, I don't know, low, medium low, until they get a little bit of color. Don't let them burn though. Nobody likes burning. Okay, hit your garlic in, you know, let it start to get fragrant. I can't talk, but until you can smell it. Then grate your tomato in. It works really great with the box grater. There you go. Then mix it all up. Add your lemon juice. So yeah, just kind of squeeze half of it. There you go. Now that'll mix together beautifully. Yep. All right, perfect. A little red pepper if you want. You know, fresh is obviously ideal, but I don't have it because it's winter. Oh, and there's the dog ruining my video. Yeah, put your shrimp in. I mean, they're gonna be in there for a few minutes, so they'll cook out. Just keep stirring occasionally. Keep it over that medium-low heat, or medium heat, doesn't matter, or low heat for that matter. I don't know. They're shrimp. I mean, people eat them in sushi. People eat raw. Add a little bit more fat if you feel it needs it. Whether that's your olive oil or your butter, there you go. Put some butter in. Oh, Kiko, you're such a sweet dog. Wieners, you know. Throw your pasta in, let it finish in the sauce there. Now would be a great time for fresh parsley if you got it. I don't, because once again, it's still winter here. A little bit of oil never hurt. Don't want it to be dry. A little bit of pasta water is another option. There you go, mix it up, parsley, woohoo. There you go, plate it up. Yep, look, oh man. Now let's see if we can get a good imprint of a mushroom stamp on the top just to say it's done. It's ready to eat, it's plated. And look at that, you got a nice little outline there, right next to the little shrimpo. There you go, serve it up, enjoy, you know. It's good, easy, bam.